Hello and welcome to Neuron-Do, where it takes seconds to learn and a lifetime to master. I am Dr. Douglas DeMassa, the creator of Neuron-Do, and in this video I will go over the basic movements of the first form, Chon-Ji, and how I initially teach this form to beginners, Neuron-Do style. Now Chon-Ji means heaven and earth. Therefore, this form it consists of two parts. The first part, which is the down block and the punch to the four walls, A, B, C, and D, represents the earth. The second part, which is a high block and a punch to the four walls, B, A, D, and C, represents heaven. You begin by positioning yourself in the center of the room, facing the wall C. This is the front of the room and where the flag is. The wall behind you is D, the wall to your left will be A, and the wall to your right will be B. Facing wall C, we bow to the flag, and then we step our left foot over into a ready stance, Chun-Bi, which looks like this from the front. Now we are ready to begin part 1. Our first move is a down block and a punch towards wall A. So turn your body towards wall A and bring your left hand up towards your right ear, and then bring your right hand under and across to the opposite side. Step the left foot forward. Now the hand that's up at your ear, bring this down over your knee, and now your right hand that's in front of your body, bring that back so that your elbow is behind you. Now raise your left hand to aim, step your right foot forward, and punch with your right hand. Return to the center and face wall B. Now we're going to perform the same moves to wall B. You're going to take your left hand and bring it to your right ear. You're going to take your right hand and bring it under and across your body to the opposite side. You're going to take your left foot and step it forward. You're going to take your hand that's up at your ear and bring it down over your knee. You're then going to take the hand that was across your body, now in front of your body, is going to bring it back so your elbow is behind you. Then you're going to raise your left hand up to aim. You're going to step your right foot forward, and you're going to punch with your right hand. You're going to return to center and turn towards wall C. Again, we're going to perform the same moves to wall C. So bring the left hand up to your ear and your right hand under. Step your left foot forward. Take the hand that's up, bring it down over your knee. Take the hand that's in front of you, bring it back so your elbow is behind you. Then you're going to raise your left hand to aim. You're going to step your right foot forward and punch with your right hand. Now return to the center and face wall D. So we're going to perform the same moves. Take your left hand, bring it up to your ear, right hand goes under. The left foot steps forward, hand that's up at your ear goes down over your knee, the hand that's in front goes back, aim, step forward, and punch. Now we can begin part 2, which is a high block and a punch, starting with wall B, then going to A, then D, and then finally C. First, return to the center and face wall B. Raise your right hand to aim and bring your left hand back so your left elbow is behind you. Step your left foot forward and high block with your left hand while bringing your right elbow behind you. Now lower your left hand to aim and step your right foot forward and punch with your right hand. Return to the center and face wall A. Now aim your right hand and bring your left hand back. Step your left foot forward and high block with your left hand. Now aim the left hand, step the right foot forward, and punch with your right hand. Return to the center and face wall D. Again, aim the right hand and bring the left hand back. Step the left foot forward and high block with your left hand. Aim the left hand, step the right foot forward, and punch with the right hand. Return to the center and face wall C. Now the moves that we're going to perform to wall C are the same, but we're going to add some extra punches at the end. So again, we're going to aim with our right hand and bring our left hand back. Step our left foot forward and high block with the left hand. Aim with the left hand, step the right foot forward, and we're going to punch with the right hand. Now we're going to step forward with the left foot, and we're going to punch with the left hand. Then we're going to step backwards with the left foot, and we're going to punch with the right hand. We're going to step backwards one more time with the right foot, and we're going to punch with the left hand. And now we're going to finish by stepping back into our ending position, Baro, which looks like our ready stance, Chun-Bi, and then stand straight at attention, Charyeot, and bow, Kunye. I want to thank you for watching this video, and I hope you found it helpful, and I look forward to seeing you in class.